This is a $200,000 coffee machine, and it's big enough to replace your entire kitchen staff. And today we're putting 6 coffee machines head to head to see how much money actually buys you a better cup of coffee. We'll look at the $200,000 barista from the future, a $6,000 Italian legend, a $3,000 precision beast, all the way down to this $5 mocha pot. Why is this thing so cheap? Probably because it's been making the same coffee for over 80 years. Yeah, the exact same design since 1933. It's basically the Nokia of coffee makers. And after comparing it against machines costing 50,000 times more, it was pretty clear why some people never upgrade. You put water in the bottom, coffee grounds in the middle, screw it together, and throw it on the stove. When it starts making that angry hissing sound like a snake with a caffeine addiction, your coffee's ready. Is it espresso? No. Is it strong? Absolutely. Will it wake you up? Like a slap to the face. It's been the default in Italian households for a century because it works, it's indestructible, and it's cheap. But let's get to the real stuff now. This next machine takes the coffee from casual hobby to serious commitment. It's called the Gaggia Classic Pro and costs around $450. And this is where you stop playing games. It's built with commercial-grade components, the same stuff you'd find in an actual cafe machine. The portafilter is 58 millimeters, which is the professional standard. That means you're not locked into some proprietary plastic garbage. You can buy any professional basket, tamper, or accessory on the planet. But here's the real secret. It's completely moddable. You can add a PID controller for precise temperature, swap the steam wand, adjust the pressure valve. People turn these into $1,500 machines over time. It's like turning your Honda Civic into a race car. The only catch is that it takes 5 to 10 minutes to heat up and you're doing everything manually. Grinding, dosing, tamping, steaming, it's all on you. But that's the whole point. You're learning an actual skill. And when you finally dial in that perfect shot, mamma mia! If you're the type who gets obsessed with hobbies, this is your machine. It lasts decades. But maybe you don't want to become a coffee scientist. Maybe you just want great coffee without a PhD. Enter the Breville Barista Express Impress, around $700. This is the everything-in-one-box machine. It has a built-in burr grinder, not some cheap blade spinner, actual steel burrs from Barazza. It automatically doses the right amount of coffee, and then it has this assisted tamping system that gives you a perfect, consistent tamp every single time. There's even a little smiley face that lights up when you've nailed it. It's almost insultingly easy. The thermojet heating system makes it ready to brew in 3 seconds. The steam wand is fast, the interface is intuitive, and your entire household can use it without needing a tutorial. Is the grinder as good as a standalone $500 grinder? Nope. But you're not buying this to compete in the World Barista Championships. You're buying it because it delivers cafe-quality drinks with zero hassle. It's the machine that makes everyone in your house look like they know what they're doing. All right, now we're increasing the budget to $2,000. And for this kind of money, you can buy either a used car, a really nice vacation, or this, the Breville Oracle Jet. And at this level, you're not buying a coffee machine. You're buying a personal barista that lives on your counter. It does everything automatically. You press a button and it grinds the beans, doses them, tamps them, brews the shot, and steams your milk to the exact temperature and texture you want. You don't touch anything except the cup at the end. The touchscreen lets you customize every variable: grind size, brew temperature, milk texture, shot length. It even gives you feedback if your shot pulled too fast or too slow and tells you how to fix it. Think of it like this. The Gaggia is a manual transmission sports car. This is a self-driving Tesla. Same destination, completely different experience. If you value your time more than the process, this is the move. Next, we have something that costs $3,000. And don't go anywhere because later in the video, we'll take a closer look at the machine that costs $200,000. At this point, we've left the world of convenience behind. This is the Lelit Bianca V3, and it's for people who view coffee as a craft, not a caffeine delivery system. The game changer here is flow control. It has a wooden paddle on top that you can use to manually adjust the flow rate of water through the coffee while the shot is pulling. You can start slow to gently saturate the puck, ramp up the pressure in the middle for extraction, and taper it off at the end to cut bitterness. You're not just making coffee, you're conducting it.
It also has dual boilers with PID controllers for surgical temperature precision, an E61 group head, the gold standard, and a rotary pump that's whisper quiet instead of sounding like a jackhammer.
But monsieur, this is not a jackhammer, it is a jackhammer.
It's built in Italy with commercial-grade internals. This isn't a machine you outgrow, this is the machine you retire with. If you're already deep into specialty coffee, if you buy single-origin beans and talk about tasting notes, this is your endgame. Now, if you found this video helpful so far, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews of the latest and coolest gadgets that matter to you the most. Alright, if $3,000 is too cheap for you, then how about a $6,000 machine? At this point, we're not talking about coffee machines anymore. We're talking about statements. This is the La Marzocco Linea Mini R, and it's the most iconic espresso machine on the planet. La Marzocco has been the king of commercial espresso for 50 years. Walk into any serious cafe, any world championship, and you'll see their machines. This is the home version. It's not inspired by commercial machines. It uses the exact same technology. Dual boilers, PID control, a shot timer, adjustable pump pressure, and build quality that makes Swiss watches look cheap. It weighs 70 pounds. The internals are bulletproof. The espresso it produces is, without exaggeration, perfect. Clean, sweet, complex with zero flaws. It's the kind of machine you buy once and never think about replacing. It'll outlive you. Is it overkill for most people? Absolutely. But that's not the point. This is for the person who wants the best, knows what the best costs, and doesn't compromise.
And now it's time to reveal the $200,000 coffee machine.
This is Adam. It's not a coffee machine, it's a fully autonomous, AI-powered, two-armed humanoid robot that makes your coffee for you. It's real, it's operating right now in New York, Las Vegas, and Oakland. It uses cameras and machine learning to operate actual commercial espresso equipment, the same machines we've been talking about. It grinds, tamps, brews, steams, pours latte art, and hands you the cup, all without a single human touching it. It might not be very practical for your home, but it's a glimpse into the future, and it's the perfect way to end this list, because it proves how far we've come, from brewing over a flame to watching a robot pull latte art with machine precision. It's both awesome and a little terrifying. Honestly, I don't know if I should order a cappuccino or apologize to it. And here's the twist. After all that tech, that $5 mocha pot still brews a cup 90% of people would be happy with. Makes you wonder if progress is really about better coffee or just better gadgets. Which one's going in your kitchen? The $5 Legend or the Robot Overlord? Let me know down in the comments. And hey, stop paying $8 for mediocre cafe coffee. Invest in yourself. Hit that like button, give this video a hype, and stay caffeinated. And watch this next video.